SAC, SAC, is a generic acronym for the family of common lead-free alloys. SAC105, it's a low silver lead-free alloy consisting of 98.5 weight% tin, 1% weight% silver, and 0.5 weight% copper. It's an alloy which is used for improved mechanical drop test reliability. SAC305, 96.5 weight% tin, 3 weight% silver, 0.5 weight% copper. It's a common lead-free solder alloy used in the industry since the early 2000s. It's the main material that's used for assembly with solder paste today.
Keep an eye out for future episodes of SMT terms and definitions, and be sure to visit SMTA.org's training page for valuable training content on numerous subjects. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.